one more time, I did a photo shoot for my birthday, and I'm gonna be 7. And and then when you go on to make sure that I really like it, but you think it's cute. If your thing is cute, then like it and try it into the logo.
So I really want to tell you how I managed to put together her Wednesday themed birthday. First off, her birthday was on a Wednesday and she loves to show Wednesdays, so I was like, why not do a Wednesday theme? And of course, by the time I thought of the idea, Amazon, everything was already sold out, so I had to purchase everything locally and get the job done. I got the stickers printed at Bellevue, the spiderweb came from Home Fabric, the balloons came from Home Fabric as well, the bag, Home Fabric, the banner got from the $2 store. It was in silver, so I had to get it. It actually came out very well. The spider rings came from Home Fabric as well. The crayons came from Bellevue. The string tie I ever had. And the crown came from Patty Knickknacks downtown. And the colorings I printed online. Included in the bag was chips, juice, they had candy, Butterfinger, Baby Ruth, and Crunch. And this is how I put the bag together. And this is me testing out the money box that her Gotti gave her the funds for. And this is me decorating the table. This is how the table came out. This is the balloons from Home Fabric, the spider web. That's what I used the spider web for. I had this cute little family photo thing, and I just decided, hey, I had some paper left, let's put the Addams family picture in there. The balloon also came from as well, and it really put the look all the way together. This is Casey at school. 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord, may the good Lord bless you. 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 Hip, 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 hip. Hip, 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 hip. Everybody say happy birthday with Casey. Okay, so this is her pulling out all of her money from the money box. Thank you, Tonya. And this is after we came from dinner from Agave. We sang happy birthday to her. She made a wish, and we definitely cut into that cake, and it was really good. Here are some pictures from her 7th birthday, and she really enjoyed herself. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that little bell for more notifications from Just Casey.